Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about glasses. First, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. And everybody, please give me a thumbs up. Helps me out YouTube's analytics. Alrighty, glasses. I'm talking about both prescription and non-prescription glasses. Non-prescription, yeah, well, these are non-prescription. These are ones I just ordered online. They're 2.0 magnification, and they're cheaters. They're what I need for reading close up. When I'm outside, I don't need them. I just go on, look at everything. But when I need to read anything or see something, close up, I put them on. And I have several pair of them. And what's neat about these, if I got a splinter, I can actually double these up and whoa, all right. And I adjust the distance here and it magnifies it really well and I can get the splinter out. My wife likes calling these cheaters because basically you're just cheating to read. But non-prescription glasses, you can find them around relatively inexpensive at all sorts of places. And Walmart, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Sam's Club, Costco. I mean, Costco has a nice set of 3-pack that you can get relatively inexpensive. You can also go online and order them online at at like Amazon or eBay or wherever. You can find a lot of them online as well. So you need to get the ones that work for you. Probably the best thing you do first is go to a place like Walgreens or any pharmacy. They have the little stand out there. And if you need to, you try on the different pair there. They have the sample ones you try on and look at to see for magnifications. Make sure you get your magnification right. And you just have them as backup pair. Now, my wife went and got several pair of 4.0 magnifiers and put in the first aid kit for splinters and stuff like that. So when it comes to your glasses, yeah, if you have prescription glasses, you should know what your prescription are. And if you need to get some cheaters for reading, rather if your insurance, has a big, large deductible, it may be cheaper just to go pick up some of these cheaters from, wherever, rather than paying for the huge, expense of the exact prescription magnification. But if you have one eye off from the other eye and they're significantly different, get extra if you can. Get your prescriptions filled. If you don't have a large deductible, or if you place an order and it's going to be like a $50 deductible, whether you get 1 pair or 10 pair, it's still going to be just $50 deductible. Get several pair. Why pay that deductible over and over again? Just get several pair so you have backups in case you break them or you lose them or whatever. Other thing when it comes to the glasses as well, and so you got these little screws right here for the hinges, and you got the little screws sometimes up here on the nose pieces here. Get some of the glass repair kits. Why throw them away if the screw falls out and you lose the screw? Got a glass repair kit, you pull it out, extra screw, you put the screw in there, and you're good to go again. All right, so everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out there doing foolish stuff. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, take care.